everybody. Okay, today we are going to grill some burger. Yeah, welcome back to Saudi International Cooking. So, aku tuh punya new grill. Huh? I like that, the new grill I have. So, I'm gonna turn this thing on, heat it up, and ready to grill some burger. How we gonna grill some burger for me? Okay. Right, we season the meat the way you like it. I have soy sauce, salt and pepper, rosemary, and onion and garlic. Jadi bawang putih, bawang bombay bubuk, bawang putih bubuk, kecap asin, and sesame oil, and salt and pepper. Just make a little bowl. I have the onion. I'm gonna put the onion in here. Is that okay? Or the other side? I don't know how you're gonna do this. Try new grill. Put the onion here, eh? So, okay. Ta-da.
Oh, that's where you need to put them over here.
Okay,
Where
move
I'm
it.
putting the bun.
Okay.
That's it.
You cook it all.
I mean, where you shaking them?
Yeah, no.
Oh, okay. Yeah, cook them all then.
Camera.
Oh,
Or you didn't oil the thing, probably. Grease it. Hot it. Put it hot. What? Like, heat it a little bit. That's right. Ready? Ooh, there you go. Now it's fixed. Did I bring it down in here? There you go. That's the way we do it.
usually on the phone here.
I don't know.
That's not, I don't know. It's new.
Oh, there you go. It look good though. This is still a little sticky. Is it more seasoning it? I'm cooking with hubby today. So those crunchy look good. Yeah. Ooh, this is gonna be yummy. See, my hubby can cook too.
Or the half a pound burger.
We'll learn next time. He said make a small ball and then smash it, okay? I make it a little big. Ooh, hot. Yummy. They are so seasoned good. They're seasoned good. Hmm? Want me help you with the cheese? You just want grilled cheddar cheese. We'll get some plate, y'all. Plate.
Do you want cheese?
Yes, please. The meat are so good. They season well. All right.
In the show, like trying to make an entire series up here.
Working. Finish. Finish.
An entire series up here.
Working. Finish. Finish. Okay, I am making with ketchup. Hot sauce, sambal, adese, mustard, Okay, I want to have Japanese mayo. Yeah, Japanese mayo here. Ooh, they're so yummy, this Japanese mayo. This one with cheese. 1 and 2. I have onion. On the top. Like that. Ooh, look at that. Wash my hand. You want me to make you one too? With everything. Tomato. Take a bite, huh? Mm. Thank you, Shan. It's so good. I forgot the tomato. You got some tomato. So delicious. Alright. Bye, everybody. Thank you for watching. See you all sometime again. I'm gonna start making videos soon. More. Bye-bye.